Welcome to the online classes of mathematics. Today our topic is point, line segment and ray. Today we will discuss about these four. First is point. So what is point? Point is a small dot by a pencil or marker. That means this is our point. And how we denote it? As point A or point B, point C, anything. Okay, so this is our point. Next one is line. Line can be extended indefinitely in both directions. Extended indefinitely in both directions. That means line has no end point. See, because it can be extended in both directions, that's why we put arrows in both directions. And how we write line? See, it is A and B. Then how we write AB and arrow both sides. This is how we denote a line. Next one is our line segment. Next one is a ray. First we will talk about ray. Ray can be extended in one direction. That means it has one end point, but in another direction we can extend it only in one direction. And it has one end point. Okay, how we denote ray? See, because it has one end point, see, it is end point and it can be extended in one direction. So we put here arrow. Take it as B. So how we denote it? AB, one-sided dot and one-sided arrow. Okay. Last one is our line segment. Line segment. Line segment cannot be extended in any direction. It has only 2 points. It has 2 end points. Also it has fixed length. Okay. See, this is one end point and this is second end point. There will be no arrow in any direction. Okay. And how we denote it? Both sided dots, because it has 2 end points. So this is our point, line segment and ray. In line we have no end point, in ray we have one end point, and in line segment we have 2 end points. Thank you.